Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about VBI vaccines, and vaccine is a most common term, so how could we forget and left out with this term. So we are using this term and find out a stock which is called at VBI vaccine. And let me tell you, the chart which we are looking is for a long term, and this is a monthly chart, and this will give you a vaccinated kind of returns. Okay, so let me just tell you about the trend in a quick manner. So as you can see, this is the downside and this is a flat chart. Okay, if you look at the overall trend, you will see that this is a flat charts which I like the most, because you have a predictive, or the probability of the trend is very good for you, because if you're thinking anything to happen inside the trend, the probability is it will happen. Time is a constant, but trend is not. Okay, so this is the lower end, and let me just quickly draw you the most important support and resistance level which you need to look at. And most importantly, let me tell you, as a summary, if you want a summary at first, what you need to do, because the stock has recently visited the lower end of the range, so the probability is it will definitely go and retest the higher end of the range, and that's what we are counting at in this particular chart. Okay, and which is very much visible, and that's why I am saying that if you look out the history of a consolidated chart, you will see that there are certain levels which are very easy to get identified, and you can make a trade out of it, which will give you a decent amount of return. So as I told you, the lower end of the range, but it will start from here, which is the immediate target, $2.3 for this particular stock. And after, if 2.3 gets broken down, then you will have your next target at or next support at 1.01, then you will have 0.53 and 0.67. so this is these are the levels which you need to look on the downside, and one must not become very bearish after 4.46. Okay, so this is the range inside which the stock is trading. Now on the upside, you will have your first target or resistance at 6.5, followed by 9.7, then you have $22, and eventually we are looking at a target which is as high as $48 on the upside. And let me tell you, the probability is very high for that. Or if you want to be a bit more skeptic, then rather than 48, you can use 45 as your big target. So these levels will come, then the probability is very high. Now whether it will come in couple of weeks or couple of months or couple of years, that's a question you could probably ask, but there is no doubt about the trend or about the levels or about the targets, and that's what I am focusing on, because I am not good at timing the market. So those who can say this will happen in 2 months or 3 months, that's fine, but what I'm good at, I'm not good at timing the market, and I don't know who else can accurately time the market. Timing the market is not in our hands. It's completely depend upon the buying and selling entities which are prevalent and which are there on daily basis. So everything is relative. So that's what we are not focusing on here. What we are focusing on here is the targets and the levels which we could probably see. And if I'm talking about $45 on the upside, then from the current level I'm talking about a 10 or 11 times of returns. So this is a big one, and obviously if you were with the trend, and if the support level of the stop loss persist, then obviously the levels which we are looking on the upside eventually will give you or give us a decent amount of returns, or it is not decent, it is actually a great amount of returns. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.